When I have them all out on my pit table, it looks okay. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Today we're just going to do a quick Tamiya Tuesday, as this is the last Tuesday before the big Canadian on-road nationals race. I have my fleet ready. TRF 419, I made no changes to it, but pretty much it's ready to go. The Bagheera is complete. So this is the Bagheera body. I have it now painted and finished and mounted on the old chassis. Now only a couple parts had to be changed to make that work. The front bumper, the foam is much smaller, and then the front body pins have an extension that you add on. Now I had to use both pieces. There's a bottom mount and then the extension, so I replaced both, so that way I can easily swap back and forth between the two bodies. And the rear bumper, if you're curious, I kept the rear bumper from the man truck, and that does work on the new body. The other bumper has a slight curvature to it, but it's totally unnecessary. It's just for style. There's no need for it. So this is how my Bagheera turned out, and I'm quite happy with it. I kept the same color scheme that I had in my stock sedan on-road car, so we're getting kind of a bit of a theme going here. And then, as I showed you last Tuesday, the AMG GT3 is complete, and I've added all the decals and the wing. And the lights are in and finished, and it turned out okay. It doesn't exactly match the theme of the others, but actually having the yellow on the front of the grille of the truck kind of aligns with this, so that when I have them all out on my pit table, it looks okay. They look fairly consistent. The style is pretty good. I'm happy with it. I think that's going to look nice. So that's pretty much where we're at. I just now need to get this stuff packed up. So I'm going to put all these cars, which I normally do be able to fit in this bag. I haven't showed you this before, but I do have a bag. I don't use a Proline fancy pit bag or anything, but that one is actually quite huge. I've fit lots of cars in, all my tools. It has lots of pockets. It has rollers. It's nice. It's almost the size of a hockey bag. But since I'm going to nationals, I'm going to be taking extra tools, extra parts. So normally my tool bag here does fit in that bag, so I have no problem with that. But I am going to be taking this box, which is full of all the other truck parts. So I have a full truck chassis in here that's unbuilt. It's just all the parts. And then I have the old style body, just in case I want to swap back and forth. And then really it's just getting my stuff packed up and ready for the race. So yeah, that'll be later this week. I will go to that event, and then I'll try and get some video for it. This is, like I said before, this is the biggest race I've ever been to, so I'm not entirely sure how much time I'm going to get to do filming, but I'm going to charge up all my cameras. I'll bring my cameras. I'll try and get enough to make at least one video, if not more, of some of the events. I'm pretty excited to go and do that, and should be the biggest race I've ever been to. One last update, which is about the giveaway, which has closed, and all the winners that I showed you last week have checked in and confirmed, and they're locked in. So all the winners are staying as they were. Everyone's responded. I've gotten everyone's info, and the prizes are just getting ready to be shipped out now. So the main prize winner, the first person that was picked, was Phil, which actually is Filthy Co RC, by the way, if you want to go find him on YouTube and give him a sub. He won. And I gave the winners a choice of prizes based on what they chose they liked as my main content, and he chose the Luckton S912 Truggy. So this is the two-wheel drive Luckton S912, so this will be on the way to Phil this week. So I'm just getting that boxed up and ready for him. And then we had Smitesh from India. Now for India, you cannot import in 2.4 gigahertz radio frequency items, so I just sent him a list of things he could choose from, and Smitesh chose a $50 US Amazon gift card. So that's already been sent to him electronically, and he has received it. And the last winner, I'm not even going to try and pronounce the land name because I don't have it in front of me and I've already forgotten what it was, but he was a tech winner, and I gave him a list of a couple things to choose from, and he chose this brand new Logitech K830 media keyboard. And this is a fully brand new sealed media keyboard that I had, which is unused, and this is going to go to him. Actually, I got a deal on this over Christmas time. They were selling these for like 2 for 1, so I got one for myself, and to get free shipping, I bought a second, and I was just going to do it, you know, keep it for a giveaway, so that worked out great. So this keyboard's excellent, actually, by the way. I haven't made a video on it, but it has a backlit keyboard And even though I made a rant a while ago about none of these media keyboards have precision touchpads, this touchpad works extremely well for it being a proprietary Logitech touchpad. So this is a wireless backlit media keyboard, works great. So that'll be on its way to Latvia, and I've already priced out the shipping. Funny enough, sending this over to Europe, to Latvia, is going to cost half as much as it's going to cost me to ship the Lukton to USA. So I'm just getting that stuff boxed up, ready to go, getting the customs forms filled out, and that'll be on its way hopefully tomorrow. I'll get that in the mail. Alright guys, so that's it. So this is where it's at, where I'm at for this week. This will be, I think this will probably be the last video that comes out this week, as I need to get myself packed up and ready to hit the road. And then the rest of the week I'll just be at the race, and I'll try and get a video out for that after it's completed. I might do a live stream while I'm there. We'll see how good the data is. I have no idea if it's going to have a good signal or not, but I think a couple of the people who were hosting it last year did do some live streams. So, you might see a live stream from me pop up on the weekend while I'm there. So keep tuned for that. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.